There's a lot going on. The bottom line is, though, that we should all try to be Christ-like. And there absolutely, positively is a God. Even the negative ones say that. But they call it a mind. But that tells you where they're at. You know, but there is a God. Something created all of this. Yes, sir?
That's what I was going to ask you. All these planets and all, do they have a creator, a one individual that are claiming, or is it, how do they come into existence?
Okay, that's a great question.
Yeah.
The Andromedans call God the Isness. They, just like us, just like the Pleiadians, everybody is trying to figure out exactly what God is. Nobody knows, other than the fact that he, she, it exists. According to the Andromedans, if we had to put a gender to it, it would be female. Because God is literally the manifestation of creation. And they say in their teachings that the thought, the idea, is the masculine, and the actual birthing of it is the feminine. So, here's what they say is happening, or what they said how our universe came to be. Apparently, every single one of us, including the matter, almost all the matter that is in our now present universe, came from someplace else. Apparently, it came from another universe. And here's what's happened. And this is how they've taught me. Apparently, what's happened is based on time and space. Some other universe, the frequency started to evolve. It sped up and everything started to evolve, except for those things that chose not to evolve. And it is, in fact, a decision. What happened was, as the frequency got higher, those things that were in negativity or fear became very heavy in weight, in frequency. It's like this. Okay, fifth density is in this same room, but we can't see it because it oscillates at a higher frequency. But we all know about third density. What happened was, those things that were third density and other vibrations formed sacs in time and space. And as these frequencies continued to get higher and higher, these got heavier and heavier. Now, since God never wastes anything, especially things that are spirit, what happened was, at some point, they broke out of the time-space sac that they were in and literally exploded. Now, in the Andromedan perspective, consciousness is not your thoughts. It's the space in which you are that you create to evolve in. That's what consciousness is in their teachings. So literally, these energies, these things that were in these sacs, literally created a space for them to explode into so they can continue to evolve. It's like you take a water balloon, you fill it with water, you take a pin and you pop it, boom, it explodes, all the water comes out. Right? This is exactly the same procedure. Everything that's matter came out of the black holes. Every galaxy has, according to them, at the base of it, a black hole. Everything came out of a black hole. Black holes are literally portals to different universes, but we can't go in them. Now, what's happening is the exact same thing. Right now, it's happening again. For some of us, this is the second time around. But for all of us, it's the second time around. We have a choice again, whether to evolve or to start all over again. The same thing is happening. Apparently on March 23rd of 1994, 19 suns in our galaxy pole shifted, totally flipped and changed their frequency. Other stars have done it since then. In fact, they have said that our sun would actually be doing it as well between now and 2011. Would also be a pole shift and changing its frequency.